हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल योर इंग्लिश स्कूल वोकैबुलरी। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। टुडे वी विल डू डेली रूटीन वोकैबुलरी पार्ट 5। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। I leave the office around 6. I leave the office around 6. I do some groceries. I do some groceries. I do some groceries. I come back home around 6:30. I come back home around 6:30. I pick up my kids from school. 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 I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. I put the laundry away. I put the laundry away. I put the laundry away. I clean up the kitchen. I clean up the kitchen. I clean up the kitchen.